Hi guys, today we are going to be making a taco rice bowl. We're going to be using 60% beef mince, 40% Eat Curious Mince. What I'm going to do first is slice up onion, garlic, and then a bit of lettuce for the topping after we finish. And yeah, I'm just going to get that done. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to rehydrate our Eat Curious Mince. I put browning in the water. This is to aid in marrying up the colour of the mince to go with the beef mince, so it doesn't get noticed. So we're just going to pop that in there, and we're just going to give that a little mix up. Just get it covered in the liquid, and that will absorb into the mince. Leave to hydrate for at least 30 minutes. Dash of olive oil in there, and in goes our onions and our garlic. Now we're just going to sweat these off. I want to get colour into it. I just want them softened. In goes our beef mince. We're going to get that nice colour in it. Then add the rehydrated Eat Curious Mince. As you can see, once it's incorporated, it is well and truly mixed in. The next thing to go in is our taco seasoning. So this is a mixture of paprika, garlic powder, and cumin powder. So we've got a nice dry mince mix. The more you add in with herbs, spices, and sauce, the more that Eat Curious element blends in. Okay, next thing going in is our tomatoes and our sweetcorn. And that is that. Now it's time to plate up the taco bowl. We've served the mince with some brown rice, shredded lettuce, cheese and salsa. This dish is colourful, packed with protein and fibre, and a great offering within primary schools.